So this is the question number 27 from the Zill's book. So what he is saying is that find an explicit solution of the given initial value problem. So these are two different terms, explicit solution and initial value problem. If you do not know these two terms, you can watch my previous lectures on chapter 1 defining important terms. So let's solve this example. So this is as by looking this equation, I can easily identify that it is the separable variable example. So by using one or two methods, I can separate x and y. So by moving this to this side, x square dy. So by moving this side, this 1 under root 1 minus y square this side and 1 minus x square this side. So I have my separated my variables. So my first step is done. And what is the next step is to integrate both the sides. So this is the integration and this is the integration. So here is also coming trigonometric identities. So what is the I use here, that is equal to sin inverse x plus c. So this is the identity I will using here. This is equal to sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse y, and constant of integration, constant of integrations you can write there, and you can write this side, you can write this side, so it doesn't matter. I usually prefer to write on the x hand side. So our final solution is sin inverse y minus sin inverse x. So this is the solution of the given differential equation, but this is not it's not our final answer. This is the initial value problem. It means that we have to find the value of c. So here x is equal to 0 and y is equal to under root 3 by 2. By putting these two values in this equation, we can find c. So c is equal to sin inverse under root 3 by 2 minus sin inverse 0. Sin inverse 0 is 0 and sin inverse under root 3 by 2. These you need to memorize the important angles, like sin inverse under root 3 by 2 is pi by 2, sin inverse 1 by pi by 3, sin inverse, you should know these identities. So our final solution of the initial value problem is pi by 2 is equal to sin inverse under root 3 by 2 pi by 2 sin inverse y minus sin inverse x. So this is the answer of the initial value problem, but this is also not the final answer. We have to find the explicit solution. Explicit solution means we find the value of y. So value y, to find this is pi by 3. So to find the value of y, we move this here, this side. So this is by moving sin inverse to this side, this equation will become 3 plus sin inverse x. So by taking anti and arc sin, by taking sine of the whole equation, we get y is equal to sin inverse pi by 3 plus sin inverse x. So explicit solutions means you have to separate x and y. So I have separated the y, and this is our explicit solution. This is the solution of the initial value problem, and this is the solution of the differential equation. So what we have to do first, we have to do is to separate the variable, then we integrate this, then find the arbitrary constant, and then find the explicit solution. So thank you. If you have any problem, or you want to give, if you think I have to do more questions, you can comment. Please like and subscribe my channel. This will increase my motivation, and thank you for your support and love.